Welcome, friends. In this chapter, we are going to see semantic tags. Basically, these tags are added to HTML5 version. These are the tags that describe its meaning to both the browser and the developer. Some of the semantic tag example are article, aside, figure, footer, header, main, mark, nav, time, etc. As the tag suggests, header or main, these basically describe the header and main section of the page. Let's see this figure. This is one of the common HTML5 page structure. We have a nav as the top and then header, and then we have a list of section, and each section contain some articles, and then there is a aside tag, and at the bottom we have a footer. Now let's proceed with the demo. I will copy the content from previous example. So basically I'm copying the content from previous example and pasting it here. And now we have an HTML5 semantic tags in. Okay. I just saved it, and now let me click on the go live, and here you can see it has this kind of content. Let me also copy the CSS part as well, and here let me add the style, and you can see we reach to the same output as we have in the previous chapter. So here if you see header, so we can basically update this div with our header HTML5 tag, and output is same. Similarly, for the nav item, we can replace this div with nav, and similarly for banner we can replace with section, because this is one of the section in the page, and for nav this is like a navigation bar or items. Similarly for main we can use main, and for each of these we can use section and section, and for footer we can use footer. Okay, and the functionality is same. Okay, and we can add blog as well. Okay, and then here section, and we can use something like this through emit, and then blocks. Okay, and inside the section, because since it's a blog, we can use article and h2 article 1, and then paragraph lorem 20, and we have our first article, and then we can copy this and create two more article. Okay, two and then three. Okay, and then save it. You can see we have three articles, and let me add the h1 our blogs. Okay, and you can see this is our blogs, and let me use the same style as we have others, and you can see we have the border as well. We can do much more thing through our CSS, but that we will keep for the later modules. That's all in this chapter. For the recap purpose, semantic tags are added in the HTML5 version. These are the tags that describe its meaning to both browser and developer. Some of the examples are header, main, nav, section, summary, footer, article, aside, etc. Thanks for watching. See you in the next chapter.